MatchKeeper Singles. Number 1. Setting up a singles game. You will do this by highlighting Singles underneath your name on the profile screen. You will then go to Games and Player Settings. When pressing this, it will ask you for the default settings. What the game is to, for instance, if it's a game to 11, win by 2. Then you will put the Team 1 name in the first identifier and then the name of the person you are playing in the Team 2 slot. When you've completed this process, you simply will save the changes and go back to the profile screen. At this point, you should be ready to start the game. Number 2. Press the Start Game at the bottom of the screen. You will be asked to start on the phone only, or you can start the game on your Apple Watch and keep score using your watch. If you make a mistake, you can press the End Game button and return to the previous screen. Number 3. To start the game, go to your Apple Watch and choose the MatchKeeper icon. Since this is a singles game, you would press the singles choice on the watch and it gives you a chance to verify that you're playing a game to 11, win by 2, which you set up previously. If that information is correct, scroll to the bottom and press the Start Game button. Number 4. Playing singles. You will notice a green button in the middle with 2 arrows, which you can press to switch who is the first server. If you mess up, press it again, and it will switch you back to the first, being the first server, once you start the game. This button goes away, and then you will use the green checkbox when the person highlighted or server wins a point. If you lose the point, you would use the red box with the X to switch to the other server. If you make a mistake, simply swipe to the left on the white screen, and it will take the last point away. For instance, if the game is 0-0 and you placed a 1 for the first server, you can swipe to the left and it will remove the point that was done in error. Now you simply play the game as usual, and after each point you will either press the green checkbox to give the server a point, or you'll press the red X box to give the serve to Team 2 or the second player. Once you've reached the maximum number for the game, which in this case would be 11, then you will get a button that says Play Again. This game will be saved in your history or game history, which you can review at any time.